All right, let's take a closer look at University V.O.C. College of Engineering in Thoothukudi. Their TNEA code, for your reference, is 4024. So what's the story with this college? Let's dive in and find out. So the first thing you absolutely need to know, and this is a big deal, is that this is a constituent college of Anna University, Chennai. Now, what does that mean for you? It means admissions are 100% through TNEA counseling. That's right, no management quota. It's all based on your merit, which really levels the playing field for every single student. Okay, here's a quick roadmap of what we're going to cover. We'll start with that all-important Anna University connection. Then, we'll get into the engineering programs they have on offer. After that, we'll look at career paths and see where their alumni have actually ended up. We'll also touch on campus life and research, and we'll wrap it all up with admissions and the financial support that's available. Right, so first up, the Anna University connection. This really is the bedrock of the college, a foundation of trust and a rich heritage. So this college was set up back in 2009. And, it wasn't just another college popping up. It was a core part of Anna University's mission. The whole idea was to bring top-notch technical education to the southern districts of Tamil Nadu. And the name, it's named after the great freedom fighter V.O.C., a name that carries a huge amount of respect and history, especially in and around Thoothukudi. Okay, let's just nail down the key details. The full name is University V.O.C. College of Engineering Thoothukudi. As we said, it's a constituent college, which means it is directly run by Anna University. It's co-ed for both boys and girls, and super important for your peace of mind, it has confirmed AICT approval for the upcoming 2025-26 academic year. Okay, so what can you actually study here? Let's talk about the engineering programs on offer. This is your potential path to getting that BE degree. All right, here are the branches on the table. You've got civil engineering, electronics and communication, and electrical and electronics engineering, all with an intake of 60 students each. Then there's mechanical engineering with an intake of 30 seats. But wait, there's something pretty unique here. And that's the availability of Tamil medium instruction. You can actually choose to study both civil and mechanical engineering entirely in Tamil, and each of those options has an intake of 30 seats. It's also great to see they're introducing a new branch in cybersecurity. Just a quick heads up, though, this new branch is still subject to final approval from Anna University, so definitely keep an eye on that. And now for the big question, the one every parent and student rightly asks: what happens after graduation? What's the return on your investment here? So let's get right into career paths and alumni. So let's just cut to the chase. What kind of career outcomes can students realistically expect if they graduate from this institution? One of the standout features here, especially for civil engineering, is the college's really strong track record in government sector placements. We're talking about graduates securing positions in major state departments like the TWAD Board, the Public Works Department, the Highways Department, TNEB, and even the Water Resources Organization. That's a pretty solid pathway into a stable career. And look, this isn't just talk. These are real people with real government jobs. You've got Ms. Van Mathi and Mr. Dinesh Kumar, both assistant engineers at the TWAD board. Then there's Mr. Pramoth and Ms. Roja in the Highways Department. And Mr. Pichirajan is now a junior engineer at the Thoothukudi Port Trust. This gives you tangible proof of where a degree from here can lead. But hey, it's not just about government jobs. The college also has solid connections with the private sector, especially in the growing field of geoinformatics. They've partnered with some pretty big names for training and placements. We're talking companies like Trimble, MapMyIndia, and Geoinco Hyderabad, among others. Okay, so we've talked about career outcomes, but what's it actually like to be a student there day to day? Let's take a look at campus life and research, the overall environment for growth. Check out this number. 65 lakh rupees. Now, what is that? That is the income the civil engineering department alone has generated through consultancy projects. This isn't just some random number. It's a powerful signal that the faculty here are active industry experts solving real-world problems. And that kind of practical expertise, well, it flows right back into the classroom. All right, for those of you who might be moving to Thoothukudi for your studies, this is essential info. Yes, the college provides permanent, separate hostel facilities for both boys and girls. And there's a combined mess that serves both vegetarian and non-vegetarian food. Let's talk facilities. The library is well-stocked with over 13,000 volumes and has digital access as well. For getting around, a bus facility is available. The campus itself is located about 5 kilometers from the Melur railway station, which is quite convenient. And for all you sports enthusiasts, they've got you covered with facilities for cricket, football, volleyball, athletics, and more. And it's not all just about academics here. The college also supports students who excel in other areas. Take M. Kumar, a mechanical engineering student, for example. This guy is a national-level athlete. He's won first place at the South Zone and state-level championships, and even secured an impressive 5th place at the National Junior Athletics Championship. That is a huge achievement. Okay, let's bring it all home and talk about the practical stuff, admissions and financial support. This is the information you'll need to help make your final decision.
Of course, finances are always a big consideration. Well, several government scholarships are available for eligible candidates. This includes the SC/ST tuition fee scholarship, the BC, MBC, and minority scholarship, the very popular first graduate scholarship, the post-matric scholarship for OBCs, and the central sector scholarship. So there are definitely options to help with the fees. Just so you know, all the information we've shared with you today has been carefully compiled from the college's own official website and other trusted government portals at the time we put this together. Explore more engineering colleges at profsam.com, your true source for 12th to engineering decisions.